students, my name is Adas from class 4th A. My project name is water heater. This is hook, this is wire, this is water and this is electricity. Water heater are designed to maintain the temperature and provide hot water all the time. Water heating is a heat transfer that uses an electric energy source. That uses an electric energy source to maintain the temperature. Typical domestic uses of hot water: cleaning, cooking, bathing, washing, and they are less expensive than the other types of water heaters. It works on the typical electric unit is wired to a 220 volt circuit to heat the water. The current passes through electric resistance heating elements.